All right, this video is mainly for my current renters that will be using this box. In order to use it, all you'd have to do is put in the password on this Key Guard Pro. It is 1379 star. That opens it right up. So what you do is you would take the key and you have to slide it in to this little bag. It just blocks the signal. Bear with me, can't do this with one hand. So you slide it in, stick it in here, go ahead and shut it. And the only way to lock it all the way is you have to put in the password again, which is 1379 star. And that's it. What you want to go ahead and do is stick this back on the window of the car. Just right here. Well, looks like we'll practice one more time. 1379 star. Push that down. As you can see, the door will not open as long as the key is in the bag. So let's take the key out of the bag. Magically opens. All right, what we'll want to do is turn the car on, lower the window, put the key once again in the bag. One, 379 star, lock. Pull it all the way up, shut the car off. Well, we're gonna have to lock it.